can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. The last 1 week has seen the market retrace most of the gains. We have some altcoins that are still pumping. We have Siren up 314%, Reverse up 18%. We have meme coin up 21%. If not, most of the altcoins in the cryptocurrency market retrace most of their gains. On a monthly time frame, we're still kind of bullish. Some altcoins are still pumping, but right now the fear is back in the cryptocurrency market. The extreme fear is palpable. We're deep in extreme fear regions. According to Fear and Greed Index, we are in a value of 8. Few times in the crypto price history have we seen more extreme fear than we're facing right now. We look at Bitcoin, the king of the market, currently trading at $68,000. The running fear in the cryptocurrency market is this the start of the decline? Will Bitcoin dump towards $50,000, maybe lower than that? We look at total crypto market cap, the altcoin market, Bitcoin dominance. What does this decline, what does this extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market means for Bitcoin over the next few days? What does it mean for the altcoin market? Are we going to see altcoin season? We'll take a look at news stories going around the market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market over the last 1 week retraced most of the gains that were made. The altcoin market over the last 1 week saw huge decline. The world is still in tension. US, Iran, and Israel are still locked in a battle. Who will win? Right now, Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, trades around $68,000. We saw Bitcoin getting to as high as $76,000 over the last 14 days. But right now, Bitcoin has retraced some of those gains. There's a lot of fear in the market. The bottom line for Bitcoin is that hopefully we don't go below that $60,000 level. We saw Bitcoin getting to as low as $60,000 on the 5th of February 2026. Right now, we're still trading around $68,000. Bitcoin could easily pump aggressively to the upside, getting a lot of market participants not scared again, getting a lot of market participants bullish. But right now, the band looks like $76,000 and $60,000. Those are the two extremes Bitcoin needs to rally past for us to have a definitive answer right now in the cryptocurrency market. Total crypto market cap sits at $2.33 trillion. So the total crypto market cap getting to as high as $2.57 trillion just about 8 days ago. Right now, the market has retraced most of those gains. Yes, there's always that possibility that we can drop to lower prices. The bottom line sits around the $2.06 trillion level. That's the support level. We got there in February of 2026. Hopefully, we don't see the cryptocurrency market dumping below that line. Right now, with extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency markets, a lot of market participants are scared. The bears are shorting heavily. The bulls are afraid to long the market. But guys, when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, historically, it has always been a good time to buy for future investments. When there have been this level of extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, laying down your bets, buying those altcoins, buying Bitcoin, getting ready for the next phase of the market cycle is always a wise decision. But very ironically, when it's extreme fear, when there's this level of extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, that's when market participants are scared. That's when they want to sell. That's when they think all coins are going to zero. Over the last few days, I've seen a lot of social media posts talking about how meme coins are dead, all coins are dead, we're deep in the bear market, there's no any hope at any point in time. But guys, with my interest, with my level of experience in the cryptocurrency market, I've always realized that anytime sentiment gets that low, anytime we see market participants start tripping and talking about how all coins are dead, how we're never coming back, how we're expecting lower prices, historically, that has been a turning point, and I don't think this time is different. I believe the market is finding a way to stress a lot of market participants before they give up, and then we see that big pump to the upside. It's hard to be optimistic when we're deep in the bear market. It's hard to be optimistic when you wake up every day and you're looking at the red candles day in, day out. But remember, guys, when the pump comes, it always comes like a thief in the night, and the pump is always violent. We might not set new all-time highs for Bitcoin. That has been my running theme over the last few weeks and the last few months. I I still believe Bitcoin can still get to $100,000 at some point in time in 2026. Max case scenario for me, we see Bitcoin getting to that $108,000, all things being equal. And if Bitcoin rallies to new all-time highs, I'm sure that will send a lot of market participants running helter-skelter, because few market participants right now can envision a situation where in 2026 we'll see Bitcoin pumping to new all-time highs. That's very, very possible. That can happen at any point in time. You never want to say never in the cryptocurrency market. If you look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, something very crazy is going to happen over the next few weeks. Bitcoin dominance is still trading at the position where it was trading late in August of 2025. And if you go back in time, Bitcoin dominance is still trading where it was trading in October of 2024. And a lot of things have happened in the cryptocurrency market since then. We've seen Bitcoin dominance get to as high as 66%. We've seen Bitcoin dominance dump. Right now, I'm expecting that final dump in Bitcoin dominance. That dump is going to see a lot of market participants understand that we're still in the period in time where altcoins could pump, and those altcoins could pump aggressively. A picture where Bitcoin dominance dumped were as low as 50%. We see the altcoin market rallying parabolically. Right now, few market participants are ready for that scenario where we see altcoins pumping and Bitcoin dominance dumping towards 50%. And that is the exact time this should be running out of the market. But I believe there's a time you see a lot of market participants doubling in, expecting the rally to continue to higher prices. Look at total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, sits around $961 billion, below $1 trillion. We saw it go to $1 trillion 7 days ago. My base case scenario, we can see it rally to as high as $1.34 trillion. Maybe we get it to pump to new all-time highs in a situation where Bitcoin is having a retracement rally. But summary, guys, I believe the next few pumps is going to be kind to the altcoin market. We're going to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. The last 1 week, as we saw altcoins pumping to higher prices, we saw Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum being the king of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. You never want to say never. The next 7 days is going to reveal a lot about cryptocurrency market. If we're dumping to Goblin Town, expect that dump to be very swift, expect that dump to be aggressive. But right now, with the way market participants are very, very pessimistic, I won't be shocked if we see the opposite of what they're expecting. And if you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, the last 24 hours has seen the bulls getting liquidated. According to coin data, the last 24 hours has seen 173,000 traders getting liquidated. The total liquidation is coming in around $330 million. The single largest liquidation order happened on HTX, one trader lost $5.83 million. Betting on the price of Ethereum, it got liquidated. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to lose your hard-earned stash before that main event happens. The main event is going to happen in the future. Bitcoin is still down 22% in Q1 of 2023. We still have 1 more week to go in Q1 of 2023. Bitcoin still has 1 more week to rescue itself from a negative Q1. Ethereum also is down 30% in Q1 of 2026. If you look at the monthly performance for both Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin is up 2% in 2026, in March of 2026, while Ethereum, on the other hand, is still up 4.64%. I still believe Ethereum will continue outperforming Bitcoin till the end of the cycle. I believe sentiment is going to improve. Maybe we see lower prices in 2026. There's no guarantee that we won't see lower prices than this. We might also see lower prices than where we're currently trading right now. But I have always believed the pump comes before the dump. And even though we're going to see a harsher dump to Goblin Town, just remember that a pump will always come to deceive a lot of market participants, and that's the pump we're waiting for. If you look at the meme coin market, the last 7 days, the top 10 memes have retraced most of their gains. Just meme coin is holding up its gains in the last 7 days. Meme coin is still up 21%. If not, Dogecoin is down, Shiba Inu is down, Pepe is down, official Donald Trump coin is down, Bong, Pocopoingin, Flokin, and SPX 6900 have all lost value in the last 7 days. If you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, market participants are starting to become very, very bearish again. Bitcoin rakes 50% dump as BTC positive correlation with US stocks grow. Coinbase back CoinDC founders questions in fraud case. Revolt says no asset loss as DeFi protocol responds to $24 million USR exploit. Scamrachi says BTC 4-year cycle still in play. Forecasts rise in Q4. Crypto liquidations nears $400 million after 68K Bitcoin slip. Bitcoin and gold divergence reflects splits between retail and central bank. And market seller signals BTC buy as strategy stacks slips 10% into the red. Market strategy finally be positive in this their trade? Will market seller turns out to be the hero? Will it turn out to be the protagonist in this Bitcoin trade? Only time will tell. But right now, Ethereum is still outperforming Bitcoin from where it was trading just over a year ago. All coins are shaping up for one big final rally to the upside. Bitcoin dominance should be dumping, while Bitcoin, king of the cryptocurrency market, slips below $70,000. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Ethereum is trading around the $2,063 level. We saw Ethereum get to as high as $2,390 just 7 days ago. Bitcoin got to $76,000. Right now, Bitcoin got to $76,000. Right now, Bitcoin is down below $70,000. How bullish are you on the cryptocurrency market? Which altcoins are you buying? Are you getting ready for that epic meme coin season in the nearest future? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.